Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to this session on First Call Resolution, or FCR, one of the most critical performance metrics in any call center. FCR directly impacts three core areas of business success. First, it shapes the customer experience. Resolving issues on the very first contact leads to higher satisfaction, stronger loyalty, and better advocacy. Second, it drives operational efficiency. Fewer repeat calls reduce strain on agents, optimize workforce planning, and improve productivity across the board. And finally, FCR enhances financial performance by lowering costs per call, reducing escalations, and unlocking more opportunities for revenue growth through retention, referrals, and upselling. In short, FCR is more than just a metric. It's a powerful lever for customer satisfaction, operational excellence, and sustainable profitability. First call resolution has a direct and powerful impact on the overall customer experience. The first element is fewer follow-ups, leading to higher satisfaction. Customers expect their concerns to be addressed quickly and completely. When they are forced to call back or repeat their issue, frustration grows, and both customer satisfaction scores and net promoter scores can drop. Resolving issues the first time not only meets but often exceeds customer expectations. Next is improved brand loyalty. Consistently high FCR builds a sense of trust and reliability. Customers feel confident that when they reach out, their issues will be handled with care and efficiency. This strengthens long-term relationships, encouraging repeat business and advocacy. Finally, we have the Customer Effort Score, or CES. Research shows that the lower the effort a customer has to put in to resolve a problem, the higher their loyalty becomes. By minimizing the need for multiple contacts, FCR directly boosts CES ratings, reinforcing the customer's perception of an easy, hassle-free experience. In essence, high first call resolution doesn't just solve problems, it transforms customer interactions into opportunities for loyalty, satisfaction, and long-term value. First call resolution also plays a critical role in driving operational efficiency and overall productivity within a call center. The first benefit is lower call volumes. When customer issues are resolved in a single interaction, the need for repeat contacts disappears. This reduces the strain on both agents and systems, keeping operations smooth and manageable. Next is better agent productivity. Instead of spending time reworking unresolved issues or dealing with frustrated customers, agents can focus their energy on addressing new concerns. This not only boosts efficiency but also makes their work more rewarding and less repetitive. Finally, there's the benefit of optimized workforce planning. With fewer repeat calls entering the system, staffing requirements become more predictable and manageable. Accurate FCR reduces the need for additional resources to handle unnecessary workload, leading to lower costs and more efficient scheduling. In short, by minimizing rework and maximizing efficiency, high FCR enables call centers to do more with less, improving both performance and agent experience. First call resolution has a direct link to cost efficiency and profitability in call center operations. Let's begin with repeat calls. Every time a customer needs to reach out again for the same issue, the cost per contact increases. This means additional telecom expenses, more time spent by agents, and unnecessary strain on call center infrastructure. Over time, these repeat interactions can significantly inflate operational costs. On the other hand, a high first call resolution rate leads to a lower cost per resolution. By solving customer problems during the first interaction, Call centers can reduce telecom charges, cut down on agent labor hours, and minimize overhead expenses tied to repeat workload. In simple terms, higher FCR not only improves customer experience but also creates measurable financial savings, making it one of the most powerful drivers of profitability in a call center. First call resolution also has a strong influence on service level performance and SLA compliance. The first area is improved service level performance. When repeat calls are minimized, overall call volume decreases. This frees up agent capacity, making it easier to meet targets such as average speed of answer and contractual SLA commitments. The second benefit is reduced queue times. With fewer repeat interactions flooding the system, customers spend less time waiting. Higher FCR leads directly to lower call volumes, which translates into shorter wait times and faster service for every customer in the queue. Ultimately, by boosting first call resolution, call centers not only deliver a smoother customer experience but also achieve stronger compliance with operational and client expectations. First call resolution doesn't just benefit customers and operations, it also has a major impact on the people delivering the service, the agents. High FCR leads to positive agent feedback. When agents can solve customer problems on the very first attempt, they feel more competent, more effective, and more valued in their roles. This sense of accomplishment directly boosts job satisfaction. It also contributes to lower attrition. Fewer repeat calls mean fewer frustrated customers and fewer escalations, which reduces the emotional strain and burnout that often drive agents to leave. Happier agents are more engaged, more motivated, and more likely to stay with the organization. In short, high FCR creates a healthier, more rewarding work environment, which strengthens agent morale and improves retention. First call resolution has a direct influence on revenue generation and long-term sales growth. When customers are satisfied, they are more open to cross-sell and upsell opportunities. A smooth, hassle-free service interaction builds trust, making customers more receptive to product recommendations and additional offerings. High FCR also drives repeat business and referrals. Customers who experience quick, effective resolutions are more likely to return, remain loyal, and advocate for the brand. This not only improves retention but also expands reach through word of mouth. Together, these factors increase customer lifetime value, proving that FCR is not just an operational metric but a strategic driver of revenue and profitability. First call resolution is closely connected with several other key call center metrics. When FCR is high, it naturally leads to higher customer satisfaction and net promoter scores, since customers value quick and effective resolutions. It also results in lower average handle time, reduced call abandonment rates, and a lower cost per call, all signs of strong operational performance. On the other hand, when FCR is low, the ripple effects are negative. Service level agreements are more likely to be breached, queues get longer, overtime costs rise, and ultimately, revenue declines due to dissatisfied customers and lost opportunities. In short, FCR serves as a foundational metric, one that not only reflects current performance but also predicts the success of other critical service and financial indicators. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.